Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I am in a collab video that is being hosted by Chrissy, so please check out all the other videos that are in the playlist. It'll be in the description. Today we are making this flower bookmark made with real flowers that you can give to mom or grandma or an aunt or just a friend in your life. And if you didn't, check my video from yesterday where I made this Mother's Day necklace.
You are going to need some wildflowers, so take your kids or your furry kids out on a walk, get some exercise, and pick some cool flowers.
The first thing you need to do after getting your flowers is to press them. You can do it the old-fashioned way by sticking them in a book, but that's going to take a couple days or up to a week to get them nice and dried and pressed, like the ones I have here. I just put these in wax paper before I put them in the big book. Take a sheet of wax paper and place your flowers on the wax paper. Kind of arrange the flower, push it down so that it will look the way that you want it to look. Take another sheet of wax paper and put it on top. Then you want to take your iron and you want to press your flowers down with the iron. This will help dry them out and get them all nice and flat. Once you've done that, you can peel apart the wax paper and you have your pressed flowers. You're going to need a piece of cardboard, and I just cut mine from this old spiral notebook. I cut mine to be 1.5 by 6 inches long. And on one side of this, you're going to write a very special message. On the other side is where we're going to put the flowers. You're going to need some clear contact paper, and you want to cut it more than twice as big as your bookmark. So I'm going to cut mine right in there. You want to take that contact paper and cover this back side that has your message on it. Then flip it over. You're going to take your dried flowers and you're going to arrange them on your bookmark however you want them, however you think that they're going to look pretty. Once you're happy with the arrangement, you're very carefully going to flip over that contact paper. Sandwiching the flowers inside. Next, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to trim over the edges. You're going to poke a hole in the top. Then you want to find some ribbon that you like, and you're going to thread it through the hole. And you can tie it on, or you can do what I'm doing, which is just putting a loop through and then pulling that loop tight. I'm going to cut my edges of my ribbon. And voila, you're done. A special bookmark for mom. Here's my bookmark again. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to make this, and you'll make one for yourself. It is easy enough that if you have, say, a mom or grandma that lives in another state, you can stick it in an envelope and you can mail it to them. Just probably for regular post stitch. And again, if you didn't watch my video yesterday, make sure you go and watch that one to learn how to make this necklace. Check out all the other videos in the playlist and have a great day crafting away. And give the video a thumbs up, please.